Oh, oh, Saws all, baby. Harbor Freight. Sweet. You can rotate the handle. One of the best ways to help the channel is from time to time I'll have a subscriber that'll mail me something. Sometimes they'll mail me some flies or something to review, and I'll do that. But I forget the fella's name, VHF. He posts his VHF on the channel, called me up about a couple weeks ago and wanted to help out the channel, and he decided to buy a reciprocal saw and mail it to me to review here on the channel. It'll help out with the boat build. I've got about 6 handline reels to turn today. We can put this thing to the test to see how it works. Well, first of all, let's get the Harbor Freight and buy a blade. The saw is cutting, it's just not what I need. Easy peasy. Gotta have the right tool for the right job. Right tool for the job. This so for this application, and knocking off the corners on my handline reels, it's just not gonna cut it. The miter saw, you saw it cut straight through it. This is more for just some almost like demolition work, right? You're gonna hack this off or something, you know, that's what this is for. But I kind of like this feature here though, the twisting feature there. That's kind of neat. It locks in 90 degrees. Tell you what, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, dead open, 45, 90. That way you can basically you're rotating this really, and that's give you that. So this will stay. No need to get rid of it. It's just, I mean, it saws. What it saws. I mean, it's Harbor Freight. I went over to Harbor Freight to get the blades. They have different blades. I bought some general purpose blades, little 6-inch blades. Nothing monstrous, but you know, something that can cut. You know, they have blades for metal, blades for wood, blades for some blades that have wood, like this here that has nails in it. You could get some multi-purpose that'll cut through metal and nails, and that'll, you know, because a lot of times sawing through wood and it's got a nail in it is dangerous, but if you have the right blade, you can kind of saw through the wood and be sensible about it, and you can get through some of those nails. It works. So I mean, it's a stinking saw. I mean,